How to change language in Excel. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in Microsoft Excel. Changes the language allows you to work more comfortably in your preferred language, enhancing your productivity and ensuring a better understanding of the tools and features. So let's get started. First, open up Microsoft Excel on your computer. Next, click on the File tab in the main menu. Then click on More and then select Option. This will open the Excel option dialog box. Now click on the Language tab in the left sidebar. Here, under the Office Display Language, you will see a list of available languages. Simply select your preferred language and click on the Set as Default. And once you have done that, if your language is not listed here, you can click on Add Language to install additional display languages. Just select the language you want to add and then you need to click on the Install button. And that's how you can change the language in your Microsoft Excel. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.